I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to lock your card on Gate, you follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Log into your Gate EO account. Start by opening the Gate EO app or website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have access to your two-factor authentication if it's enabled. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallet section. Once logged in, find the Wallet section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your funds and card settings. Step 3. Select your card. In the Wallet section, look for the option labeled Card or Payment Methods. Click on it to view your linked cards. Step 4. Lock your card. Find the card you want to lock and look for the lock option. Click on it and confirm your choice when prompted. This will prevent any transactions from being made with that card. Just a heads up, if you don't see the lock option, make sure your card is not currently in use for any pending transactions. Step 5. Confirm the lock. After locking your card, you should receive a confirmation message on your screen. Double check that the card's status has changed to locked in your account. Now you can rest easy knowing your card is secure. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.